Good morning. So, ang topic natin for today, what if you are the best persons that you have a lot in this world? You have money, you have successful business, you are stunning, you are brilliant and famous in this world. So what if you lose everything that you have right now to gain the favor of this one person, of this one? Could you allow that? Could you accept that in your life? Pero dito nga sa video na napanood ko, we are nothing without God. He is our creator. So what we have right now, at kung ano man yung magkakaroon tayo pa lang, is because of Him. Dumating tayo dito sa mundo na wala tayo. Aalis din tayo dito sa mundo na wala tayo. So kung papipiliin ka, anong magiging reaction mo para makuha mo yung favor ni God? Ang pwedeng maging mangyari sa lahat ng pinaghirapan mo, lahat na meron ka ay mawawala. Could you allow that to happen in your life? Could you accept that thing to happen in your life? Ikaw lang makakasagot niyan. Pero kung may tiwala ka at may pagmamahal ka kay God, you don't care when you lose everything. Because God is everything when you have God in your life. At yun yung kung nakikita mo mas importante, you don't care to lose everything. Pero kapag hindi siya yung center ng life mo at may mas mahalaga pa sa buhay mo kaysa sa kanya, talaga naman kapag nawala sa iyo yung mga bagay-bagay na pinaghirapan mo, masasaktan ka talaga at di mo matatanggap. Pero kapag yung trust mo na kay God at alam mo siya ang lahat-lahat ng bagay na nandito sa mundo, siya ang merong pag-aari ng lahat-lahat ng bagay na meron ka, you don't care. It doesn't matter kung wala sa iyo lahat, because you believe na kahit yung kaisa-isang bagay na yun magkaroon ka lang, kompleto na yung buhay mo, kompleto ka na. At masigit pa sa mga bagay na kailangan na meron ka dito sa mundo. Hope you learned something. Thank you everyone and God bless.